Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about basic addition. All right, let's get started. The common symbol for addition is a plus sign. All right, this is also called an addition sign. Okay, so let's get into some examples. Let's say we had 4 plus 3. This means that you have 4 marbles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to add 3 more to the marbles. You're adding 3 more. So 1, 2, 3. How many marbles do you have in total? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Let's look at another example. Let's say we had 9 plus 2. This means that you have 9 marbles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we're adding 2 more marbles to this. I'm adding 2 more, 1, 2. How many marbles do we have in total? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 9 plus 2 equals 11. Let's try another example. Let's try 1 plus 6. We have 1 marble. We're adding 6 more marbles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many marbles do I have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Let's try 3 plus 5. This means I have 3 marbles. 1, 2, 3. You're adding 5 more to this, what you already have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do you have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. What about 2 plus 2? You have 2 marbles. You're adding these 2. How many do you have in total? You're going to get 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. What about 0 plus 0? What is this going to give you? 0. Okay. What about 6 plus 2? What is this going to give you? If you're adding 6 plus 2, you have 6 marbles. So you're adding 2 more here. How many do you have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is going to be 8. What if I had 1 plus 4? So you have 1 marble and you're adding 4 more. Let's add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do you have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. What if I gave you 2 plus 0? What is 2 plus 0 equals? You have 2 marbles, and I'm not adding anything else because it's 0. You're going to get 2. Your answer is going to be 2. How many marbles do you have in total? Just 2. What if I gave you pictures? So let's look at this picture here. What is the addition problem? Okay. How many marbles do you have? I have 2. How many more marbles am I adding to the 2 that's already there? You're adding 3 more marbles. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 marbles. Okay. Let's say I give you another set of pictures. Let's see if I gave you 1, 2, 3 plus, I can't talk. I don't want to see the numbers. I always do that. All right, I'm going to give you And I want you to tell me what's the addition problem for this one, okay? So I have 3 marbles here, 1, 2, 3, plus another set of 3 marbles. How many do I have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Let me give you another set of pictures here. Right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. You're adding how many more marbles? 1 more marble. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. So here you're going to have 6 marbles total. And please also remember that 1 plus 5 also equals 6. Same thing. And when we looked at this problem here, 3 plus 2 also equals 5. Just like this problem up here, 5 plus 3 also equals 8. Okay, keep that in mind. All right, let's try one more set of pictures here. Let's say I gave you, let's see. What is the equation problem for this here? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. We're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 more. How many do you have in total? You're going to have 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 marbles in total. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Let's look at some more examples. Let's say I have 23 plus 5. Let's do 5. What is the answer for 23 plus 5? All right. So first we're going to do 3 plus 5, meaning that you have 3 marbles and you're adding 5 more marbles to that. That's going to give you 8. And then we're going to do 2 plus 0. That's going to be 2. There's an imaginary 0 here. All right. So 23 plus 5 equals 28. What about 20 plus, let's try 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. 20 plus 8 equals 28. All right, let's try another example. Let's try 54 plus 4. Okay, 4 plus 4, this is going to be 8. And then 5 plus 0 is going to be 5. So 54 plus 4 equals 58. What about 43 plus 8? Okay, so 3 plus 8 is going to give you 11. You're going to carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is going to give you 5. Okay. Don't forget, 8 plus 43 also equals 51. All right, let's try one more. Let's try 92 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 9 plus 0 is 9. So 92 plus 2, you're adding 2 more, is going to give you 94. So that is all we have for today, and I will see you all in the next video. All right, talk to you later. Bye.